The governor is moving ahead with plans to reopen schools, but he says it'll take the entire community to make it happen.
We have gone from a plateau to a decrease in total cases in Utah.
The state epidemiologist announced some good news, but as schools are set to reopen next month, Dr. Angela Dunn urges vigilance.
We have the opportunity to start school with case counts decreasing and being more in control. And to do this, we need everybody to continue wearing face masks in public, practicing physical distancing, staying home when you're ill, and using good hand hygiene. If we all do these things, we will continue to see a decrease in cases.
Under new guidance from the state, schools will not close if someone tests positive for COVID-19, but teaching may go remote if there's spread. Students or teachers with symptoms can't come to class, but there's also what's called a modified quarantine if someone in their home has symptoms.
This will allow children to stay in the educational system, get the classroom setting that they need, while also keeping themselves and their environment safe. If any close contact starts to develop symptoms consistent with COVID, they will be asked to stay home. This is a process that we have been using for essential employees throughout this outbreak, and it has worked.
Governor Gary Herbert says he wants students and teachers to feel safe.
All the way from the bus driver to the janitor, feel like this is an environment where we have at least minimized the risk.
The state school superintendent says she supports the guidance, and while some want online-only education, it isn't for everyone.
Not all of our families have access to broadband or to the tools that they need.
She says it'll take the community to help out by following the proper health protocols.
If we want our children back to schools, what are we all willing to do to get them there?
The governor tells Fox 13 he feels good about how the state is trending. He has an August 1st goal to average 500 new cases a day. He says Utahns are starting to voluntarily wear face masks, but warned a mandate is possible.
I like the people doing it of their own volition. But if needs be, the heavier hand of the government could be utilized.
Now, we've posted the state's plans on reopening schools for you to read. Check it out at fox13now.com. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.